Well, welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, the third female defendant in the Insports $222 million fraud trial has been cleared of all charges. But the main accused, former financial controller Andrew Wright, and two co-accused remain in custody as the judge continues her summation. Kian Rayner has the details.
Johnny Mills walked free from the Supreme Court on Monday after being acquitted of 9 counts of forgery after more than a year of proceedings in the $222 million Insport fraud case. Justice Anne-Marie Lawrence Granger ruled that while there was compelling evidence given by 2 renowned handwriting experts, they were not strong enough to prove that Mills forged the signatures on 9 checks. An elated Mills was then told she was free to go. Mills became the third woman to be freed in the case, joining former accounting clerks Anne-Marie Picton and Shireen Farquharson, who were acquitted last week. The 3 were among 6 former employees accused of being part of a fraud scheme involving checks issued by the agency. However, the main defendant, former financial controller Andrew Wright, along with Rudolph Barnes and O'Neill Hope, still await their fate. On Monday, the judge noted inconsistencies in Wright's testimony about the purchase of a Jacksonville property, saying documents contradicted his account. Evidence given by Wright was that the property was purchased between 2005 and 2006. However, documents presented during the trial showed it was purchased between 2012 and 2013. Wright and the 5 others were accused of being part of a network of former Insport employees who allegedly wrote, signed and cashed fraudulent checks for individuals who were neither employed by nor contracted to the agency. The verdict for the remaining 3 is expected on Tuesday, with the proceedings set to get underway at 10 o'clock. Kian Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Kian. Now, today marked